Do you know the duck? A group of species of water birds, known as ducks, are smaller and have shorter necks than their near relatives, swans and geese. They comprise the biological family Anautidae, together with their relatives with longer necks. Due to the fact that this family is economically and culturally significant to humans, we have had a lengthy association with its members. Particularly, ducks have been domesticated, so that their feathers, eggs, and meat can be harvested. Here is 10 amazing facts about ducks that you must know. To avoid being attacked by predators, ducklings fewer than 10 days old prefer to swim and stroll in groups while remaining near to their mothers. Ducklings are loving siblings and communicate with each other before hatching. They swim and walk in unison after hatching, closely like their moms. Our second observation is that ducks prefer to be in groups, even as adults. Compared to hens, ducks can lay more eggs. Duck eggs are not only bigger than chicken eggs, but they also taste better and are creamier. This is mainly because the yolk-to-white ratio of duck eggs is higher. Additionally, compared to duck eggs, chicken eggs typically taste sulfurier. Ducks will consume a variety of foods, including grass, water plants, insects, seeds, fruit, fish, and crustaceans. Another fact can amaze you. What is it? Depending on the species and with proper care, ducks can live up to 20 years. Did you know this before? Ducks can see both close-up and distant objects clearly thanks to the shape of their eyes. They can see about 340 degrees around since their eyes are on either side of their heads. They can independently move each eye, and they can sleep with one eye open to keep a lookout for predators. Ducks in a group will alternate keeping an eye out for danger to help safeguard the rest of the group while they are sleeping. Daylight has an impact on egg production. The ducks will lay more eggs when it gets lighter outside. Farmers utilize artificial lights to ensure that the ducks receive roughly 17 hours of light per day, so they can efficiently produce eggs. A male duck will put on elaborate displays during mating season to gain the opportunity to mate with a female. Based on this performance and the attractiveness of his feathers, she gets to pick her favorite. It's critical that the female duck be able to select her husband because mating can be a violent process for her. Although the majority of duck species are monogamous throughout the mating season, this is not always the case. Instead, they will look for new partners every year, choose the healthiest, best partner possible who can assist them pass on their genes to the next generation of ducklings. Dr. Victoria de Rauca, a researcher at Middlesex University, captured the noises of ducks in central London and contrasted them with those of ducks in the countryside. She discovered that because they had to shout above the din of city life, the ducks in London had a louder, harsher quack. Longer and more relaxed sounds were generated by the ducks in the countryside. Ducks aren't the best land walkers, but they fly quite well, especially when migrating. Usain Bolt can barely top 23 miles per hour, so their average flight speed is 50 miles per hour, while some ducks can fly at far higher rates. The fastest terrestrial animal in the world, the cheetah, is around 40 miles per hour slower than a red-breasted merganser, which was observed flying at 100 miles per hour. Those are 10 true facts about ducks that you must know. Thanks for watching.